Hey, what's going on? This is Mike Fox with Window Repair Systems and WindowHardwareDirect.com. And today I want to talk about sweep blocks and keepers. So I have a couple here, and I want to show you kind of how to measure for the sweep blocks and what to look for. So if you take off your sweep block from your window, or if you just have holes there, you're going to want to measure the hole-to-hole measurement. So for example, like this one is 1.5 inches from hole to hole. And so you're going to want to go onto the website and look for those specific dimensions. And the other thing you want to look for is if you need a keeper, the same thing, you're going to want to look for the hole to hole dimension. And that's from this to this. And one thing to note is this little bump right here on the edge. This helps when the sweep comes through, hold the lock in place. And here's another example. This mounts to the face of the upper. You put the two screws in right there, and you just sweep the lock in and it holds it in place. Here's another common one, sometimes found on Traco windows. And here's another heavy duty one that we see in commercial applications. And you can see that this is, it's got a hole here specifically for a pole hook, so that when you want to open it and you can't reach it, you just grab the whole pole hook and then hook it on the end and then push it up with the pole. And so anything that you need, you can take a look at the website and chat with us, and we can help you out. So check out WindowHardwareDirect.com. Thanks.